Have you ever wondered how the products you buy from the store make it to the shelves? Supply chain management is the behind-the-scenes process that makes it all happen. And now, with the help of AI, this process is becoming even more efficient and effective. Join me as we explore the use of AI in supply chain management and how it is changing the game for businesses worldwide. Hello and welcome to our video about the use of AI in supply chain management. As we know, supply chain management is the process of managing the flow of goods and services from the point of origin to the point of consumption. In today's fast-paced business environment, it is more important than ever to have an efficient and effective supply chain. This is where AI comes in. With the help of AI, supply chain management can become even more streamlined, automated, and efficient. In this video, we will explore some of the ways in which AI is being used in supply chain management and how it is changing the game for businesses worldwide. AI in inventory management. The first area where AI is being used in supply chain management is inventory management. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources, such as sales data, production data, and weather data, to predict demand and optimize inventory levels. This helps businesses to avoid stockouts and overstocking, which can lead to lost sales and increased costs. AI can also help businesses to optimize their supply chain networks by analyzing the best locations for warehouses and distribution centers based on demand and transportation costs. This can lead to reduced transportation costs and faster delivery times. AI in predictive maintenance. The second area where AI is being used in supply chain management is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is the practice of using data analytics and AI to predict when maintenance is required on equipment before it breaks down. By using predictive maintenance, businesses can avoid costly downtime and reduce maintenance costs. For example, a shipping company can use predictive maintenance to monitor the health of its vessels and predict when maintenance is required. This can help to avoid costly breakdowns at sea and ensure that shipments arrive on time. AI in route optimization. The third area where AI is being used in supply chain management is route optimization. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources, such as traffic data and weather data, to optimize delivery routes. This helps businesses to reduce transportation costs and improve delivery times. For example, a delivery company can use AI to optimize its delivery routes based on traffic patterns and weather conditions. This can help to ensure that deliveries are made on time and reduce transportation costs. AI in quality control. The fourth area where AI is being used in supply chain management is quality control. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources, such as production data and customer feedback, to identify quality issues early in the production process. This helps businesses to avoid costly product recalls and improve customer satisfaction. For example, a manufacturing company can use AI to monitor the production process and identify defects before they become a problem. This can help to ensure that products are of high quality and meet customer expectations. AI in demand planning. The fifth area where AI is being used in supply chain management is demand planning. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources, such as sales data and social media data, to predict demand for products. This helps businesses to optimize production levels and reduce costs. For example, a clothing retailer can use AI to analyze social media data to predict which styles will be popular in the upcoming season. This can help to ensure that the retailer has enough inventory to meet demand and reduce the risk of overstocking. In conclusion, the use of AI in supply chain management is becoming increasingly important for businesses worldwide. From inventory management to predictive maintenance, route optimization, quality control, and demand planning, AI is transforming the way businesses manage their supply chains. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can provide valuable insights and optimize supply chain operations in ways that were previously impossible. The benefits of using AI in supply chain management are clear: improved efficiency, reduced costs, faster delivery times, and higher customer satisfaction. However, it is important to note that AI is not a silver bullet. While it can certainly help businesses to streamline their supply chain operations, it is still important to have skilled professionals who can interpret the data and make informed decisions based on the insights provided by AI. As we move forward, we can expect to see even more innovations in the use of AI in supply chain management. From autonomous delivery vehicles to robotic warehouses, the possibilities are endless. However, it is important to remember that these technologies are not a substitute for human expertise. Rather, they are tools that can help businesses to achieve their goals more efficiently and effectively. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the use of AI in supply chain management. I hope that you found this video informative and interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest trends in technology and business.